Group number 2, you are in charge of converting or changing percents into decimal. That's what we're doing today, is a bunch of different conversions or changes. And you're going to have a bunch of percents, and your job is to change them into decimals. So let's go ahead and get started with your short little lesson here. So when you have percents, the rule is you're going to move the decimal to the left 2 spots. And you're going to drop the percent symbol because it's now a decimal. So we're following Miss Beyonce again. She's telling us to go to the left when we're trying to change percents to decimals. So here we have ourselves a percent. When you have a percent, you have a little hidden decimal right at the back, even though it's not written. So to change it to a decimal, we're going to take that hidden decimal and we're going to do 2 little swoopies to the left. So we're going to go 1, 2, and our decimal is now in the front. So our decimal is going to be 0.92, and we do not need the percent symbol because it's now a decimal. So 92% is the same thing as 0.92. Your next example, let's do 5%. If we have 5%, the hidden decimal again is in the back. So we're going to follow Miss Beyonce. We're going to go 2 spots to the left. And this one's a little different because we have a blank spot here. So if we have point blank spot 5, we need a placeholder. So if you move and there's nothing there, you have to add that placeholder of a 0. So 0.05 is the same thing as 5%. And last one, if you see something like this, 72.5%, decimal is not in the back anymore, it's right smack dab here in the middle of your percent. So to change it to a true decimal, you're going to take the decimal, you're going to do 2 swoopies to the left. So we now have 0.725 as our decimal. All right, easy enough? Make sure you explain this to your group mates. You, my friends, are probably the most important section because this is the type of conversion that we're doing the most often. So make sure you understand it. Let me know if you have any questions.